Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add any apps to your control center on your iPhone iOS 26. So I'm provide full guide. So simply you just open your settings, press on General, press on to software update, and make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. Go to your control center, long press, click on add a control, go to search option, search it to apps, and showing it to shortcut open apps, press on to choose any one apps. So like select my Instagram, press on and just place anywhere. Okay, just tap on, then open these apps. That's it.